was telling you that the ethnic composition of Belgium was diverse, and the people who were in majority, that is 59% of the people, they were speaking Dutch, and 40% of the people were speaking French. But in the Brussels, the case was reverse. That is 80% of the French people who constitute majority in the Brussels, they were holding high administrative posts and were powerful, and 20% people who were Dutch speaking people, they were not so powerful and educated. But the conflict started between these two communities when due to the education, the Dutch speaking people, they also got good jobs and high administrative jobs, and they became powerful. And now who were having majority in rest of the country, they did not like the dominance of the minority people, that is 40% of the French speaking people over them. And so the conflict started between these two communities, that is the French and the Dutch speaking people. Now, how the government of Belgium tried to solve this problem so that it does not take to the situation of the civil war. So civil war is a situation in which the two communities they turn against each other, and this can lead to a war within the country between the two communities. So to avoid this type of situation, some arrangements were done in by the government of Belgium to make the people diverse population live in peace and harmony with each other in Belgium. So the Belgian leaders took a different path. They recognized the existence of regional differences and culture. Between 1970 and 1993, they amended their constitution 4 times so as to work out as an arrangement that would enable everyone to live together within the same country. The arrangement they worked is different from any other country and was very innovative. Innovative means very new to everyone. Here are some of the elements of the Belgian model. First is constitution prescribes that number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in the central government. Some special laws require the support of majority of members from each linguistic group. It is saying that there should be an equal representation of both the communities, that is the Dutch and the French speaking people, in the central government. Means they you can say they reserved the equal seats for both the communities, for Dutch as well as for the French speaking people, so that if any law has to be made, then that law has to be consented by both the communities, and then it could form as an act of the country. Second thing is, many parts of the central government have been given to the state government of the two regions of the country. The same government are not subordinate to the central government. And second, it is saying that they, in place of unitary form of government, they transformed it, Belgium as a, you can say, Belgium as a federal form of government. They adopted federal form of government in which the powers were shared between the central and the state. That is, the central government now shares its power with the state government. Brussels has a separate government in which both the communities have equal representation. And now what they did in their capital also equal representation was done between the French and the Dutch, and the French accepted the Dutch to have their equal representation, because Dutch in the central government have accepted their equal representation. That is, in Brussels, a government was formed in which both the French and the Dutch were having equal seats. The Brussels has a separate government in which both the communities have equal representation. The French-speaking people accepted equal representation in Brussels because the Dutch-speaking community has equal representation in the central government. And this is apart from the central and the state government. There is a third kind of government. This community government is elected by the people belonging to one language community, Dutch, French and German speaking, no matter where they live. This government has the power regarding cultural, education and language related issues. And third was the next step they did was a formation of a community government. Formation of community government means that community government was only elected by their own community people and was only responsible for the welfare of their own community people. And so three community governments were formed to look after the interest of their own community people, that is Dutch, French and German, to promote the language as well as their culture and uh, their, you can say, their custom, everything, okay, and education. You might find the Belgian model very complicated. It indeed is very, even for the people living in, but these arrangements have worked so well so far. They helped to avoid civic strife between the two major, means this type of Belgium model, which looks very complicated, is very good because it has worked very efficiently, and the all the ethnic composition, the diverse people who are speaking different language and having different culture, they are living together in an amicable manner, in a peaceful manner for so many years. So seeing this, the other European countries, they have appreciated this type of model of Belgium, and for this they made okay, for this the European countries have came together to form the European Union in Brussels as its headquarters.